I'll press the down arrow to go to the next option, Phone Lock. A user or system administrator can lock a phone to prevent it from making outgoing calls. It's a security measure to keep others from using the phone or from changing how the phone is configured. You'll want to change and use a password other than the factory default if you plan to lock or unlock your phone. To lock the phone, I'll press the right arrow and then press the right arrow again to select Yes and confirm I want to lock my phone. Notice the ringer/message waiting indicator is lit, and the LCD screen displays the message, Phone is locked. To unlock the phone, press the Options List button and enter the phone's password. Then press the right arrow to enter and unlock the phone.